Okay, this is lesson 61, ATIA. Now the ATIA stands for Additional Topics in Algebra, and you can find that in the back of the book. We're going to do some lessons from this section. Not every lesson will have one, but lesson 61 does, so we're going to start with that one. So lesson 61, ATIA. This is simplifying equations with decimals. In case you were wondering, we are on page 787 in your book. So we talked about this a little bit before. When you have an equation, you look for the number that has the most decimal places. So here's an example. This number right here, 4 thousandths, has the most decimal places. It has 3. So we're going to multiply, since this is thousandths, we're going to multiply every single number here by 1,000. That way we can move the decimal over 3 times. 2, 3, so we have negative 200 plus 30x equals 4. Then we can solve it just like we do regular equations using inverse operations. So we're going to add 200. We got 30x equals 204. Then we're going to divide by 30. So x equals, now you're allowed to use your calculator, so you do 204 divided by 30, and you get 6.8. We leave it in decimal form because our problem started out as decimals. I'm going to do one more example. If we have 5.1 over 0.3 equals 34 over x. So we can do cross multiply. So we have 5.1x equals 34 times 0.3, which is, let's see, 10.2. We can multiply everything by 10. That's going to get rid of the decimal. We just move it over once, so 51x equals 102. Divide by 51 to get x all by itself, and x equals 2. And that's the end of the ATIA lesson 61.